Today, we will show you most powerful animals in this world.
Leopard. Don't be surprised when you see a leopard going completely vertically up a tree for 50 feet straight, while pulling the carcass of a wildebeest that is 3 times its weight completely against gravity. Because that's exactly what an adult leopard is capable of. Leopards have adapted to thrive in diverse environments, from dense jungles to grassy savannas to deserts. And although they are the smallest of wildcat species, are pound for pound the strongest. That is really how much power their body muscles contain. Their stocky, powerful build allows them to drag prey far larger than themselves up into the trees, to keep it away from scavengers. Now, let's see a lion do that, and if you thought that was strong. Belgian draft horse. Seeing as Belgians have the strongest cows, it's no surprise they'd have the strongest horses too. The strongest horse breed in the world is the Belgian draft horse, which consistently wins global pulling contests. According to the Guinness World Books of Records, the largest and tallest living horse in the world is a Belgian draft that goes by the name of Big Jake. If you'd guess the biggest, tallest horse breed would also be the strongest, you'd guess right. After all, these supersized horse breeds were bred for their sheer strength, to be used on farms in the countryside, to pull or carry heavy loads. To keep them docile and obedient giant Belgian giraffes were also bred for calmness and friendliness. Since their work on a farm requires so much patience and high amounts of contact with people. And gorilla. Gorillas are not only the largest primate in the world, they are also the strongest, known for their incredible strength. Gorillas can get up to 5.7 feet tall, and weigh up to 600 muscular pounds. Although they are about as tall as most humans, their arms are far larger and much stronger than ours. Gorillas can carry a weight up to 2 tons, which is often 10 times their own body weight. Now, let's see a human lift that much to give you an idea of just how long their arms are. The arm span of an adult male gorilla can measure around 8 feet in length. Just like us, gorillas can walk on 2 feet, but not for very long. Most of the time, they use their strong knuckles to help balance their weight. While walking on all fours, they also use their arms to swing from one branch to another. Both climbing and knuckle walking is what makes their arms so strong. Often 20 times stronger than a human's. Case in point, you do not want to challenge these guys to an arm wrestle. Tibetan Mastiff. The top 1 strongest dog breed on the planet. These watchful and imposing dogs were guardians back in ancient Tibetan times. Families kept these massive furry dogs because they are sweet and calm towards the family, yet highly aggressive towards strangers. It is even said these dogs would kill a wolf back in the days. Nowadays, they're mostly kept as pets, but are not recommended for beginner dog owners, and should always be kept on a leash while walking due to their protective nature. Otherwise, they may turn aggressive towards those who aren't their owners. They're not suited for apartment life either, and need tons of exercise to maintain their powerful health. And finally, we're up to the most powerful animal in the world. African bush elephants. Seeing as they're the largest living land animal on our planet, it makes sense they'd also be one of the most powerful. African bush elephants are the largest of all mammals on Earth, and are far bigger and stronger than their Asian cousins. They can grow up to 13 feet tall, and weigh an incredible 7 tons. African bush elephants may not be pound for pound the strongest animal. They can lift an incredible weight of 9 tons, which does make them the overall strongest in the world. The average car weighs just 3 tons, and while it's generally uncommon for elephants to attack people who are on safari, they have been recorded flipping over an entire car like it was nothing. Their trunks are also very strong, and contain more than 40,000 muscles, which can carry 450 pounds of weight, considering the entire human body only contains around 600 muscles. That's a lot of muscle power for just one trunk.